A plan of a journey including the route. A plan of a journey including the route and the places that will be visited. Itinerary. That which will be visited. Itinerary. यात्रा कार्यक्रम. One who takes care of a building. One who takes care of a building. Janitor. Janitor. Special words and phrase used by particular groups of people. Special words or phrase used by particular groups of people, especially in their work. Jargon. Jargon. विशिष्ट शब्दावली. A short journey that you make for pleasure. A short journey that you make for pleasure. Jaunt. Jaunt. Having or expressing a lively, cheerful, and self-confident manner. Jonitly. To cross streets on foot carelessly. Jaywalk. Extreme form of patriotism. Jingoism. A person or thing that brings bad luck. Jinx. A person who rides in horse races, especially as a profession. Jockey. The work of collecting and writing news stories for newspaper, magazine, radio, or television. Journalism. A person who writes for newspaper and magazines. Journalist. The act of traveling from one place to another. Journey. Merry, convivial, hearty, and good humored. Jovial. A lot of happiness, joy. A person in a court who has the authority to decide. How criminals should be punished, or to make legal decision. Judge. The part of a country government responsible for its legal system. Judiciary. A military or political group that rules a country after taking power by force. Janta. The science or philosophy of law. Jurisprudence. A group of members of the public who listen to the facts of a case in a court and decide whether or not somebody is guilty of a crime. Jury. Connected with young people who are not yet adults. Juvenile. Placing different things in order to create an interesting effect. Juxtapose. Small shelter for dog. Kennel. The inner soft part of a seed, fruit, or nut. Kernel. One's relatives or family. Related. Kin. A small structure with one or more open sides. That is used to vend merchandise. Kiosk.